Hi, my name is Terry Dorland with Rise Local TV with another edition of our expert interviews today. And today I am very excited to be joined by Dr. Elliot Ghatan, who is a dermatologist in New York City. Dr. Ghatan, how are you?
Thank you. Very well.
Good. It's good to have you here. Dr. Ghatan, today we're going to be discussing finding a great dermatologist. Talk to us a little bit about what type of advice would you give someone who's out there looking for a new dermatologist right now?
I think a couple of important points. First, experience and training, and then caring in terms of the doctor are the most important factors in terms of delivering the proper care to the patient. We all go through years of training before we can start practicing and seeing patients, but we even learn much more if you're in practice and see patients over the years. We gain more experience, we see more cases, and that helps a lot to especially sort out the more difficult cases and to help people better. So somebody who's experienced like me more than 20 years in practice, hopefully is going to be better than somebody who's been in practice 2 or 3 or 5 years. Experience is definitely is an important factor, and training obviously is very important to give you that foundation to be able to deliver the proper care to the patient.
Talk to us a little bit about reputation, Dr. Ghatan. How would that come into play, and what's really the best way to find out a dermatologist's reputation these days?
It's a little bit difficult sometimes to find out the reputation accurately, to assess that factor. But I would think if you have a few friends, family members who have seen a doctor and they're objective in their view, and they can give you feedback. Look, we went to this doctor, he took good care of us, he was caring, he was attentive to our needs, he answered the questions, he gave us the proper care, we did get better, and yeah, terrific experience. I think that's a good way to get us started.
Okay, that makes a lot of sense. And Dr. Ghatan, I know you do some really special things at your office and your practice. Talk to us a little bit about the patient experience that someone were to get if they were to come in and see you.
I can tell you of a recent experience I had with a young lady, about 8-9 years old, who had very severe eczema, and to the point that all her body, face, extremities, trunk, everything was covered with eczema. She was scratching herself in front of me. She was uncomfortable. She just couldn't sit still, and she had refused to go to school because of the fact that the way she looked, the way she felt. So she came here with her mother, spent a good amount of time educating her in terms of how to take care of herself, how to do things to minimize the eczema. And I told her, look, I make a special compounds. Usually I use different ingredients from different medications that are available, and I adjust the ingredients to the point that it's very effective and safe, and will get great results very quickly. And thank goodness she did get better very fast, to the point within a few days she went back to school, and I saw her over the next couple of weeks, and she was doing better, and each time she came back she was doing better. It was very gratifying to see from the first time she came to the third or fourth time when she was coming and she was smiling. She wasn't scared. She wasn't going like this, scratching herself all over and being uncomfortable. So that was a great experience. I do a lot of cosmetic treatments also, and I find that people who do the cosmetic treatments, they gain more self-confidence. They feel better about themselves. They're more confident in their social place, and also at work they feel more comfortable and they're happier. So it's a very gratifying experience. I'm very fortunate to be involved in this field, and I enjoy it very much.
Well, it sounds like you've got a very patient-focused practice as well. You have the experience to be able to do some things that someone who's fresh out of school or just started their practice probably wouldn't have. And speaking to that effect, Dr. Ghatan, I know you have a special offer out there for people who might be watching this video. What offer do you have for them to give them the ability to actually come in and experience that difference?
Well, the most important offer is that I would love to give them a caring and conscientious treatment. On top of that, I would like to offer people who would like to do a cosmetic treatment a 10% off on the first treatment if they see this video and they mention that. It'd be our pleasure to be of service to them.
Oh, wow, that's great. What's the best way, Dr. Ghatan, for someone to get a hold of the office?
I think the best way to get us is through the phone. Our number is 718-253-2053, and you can also get us through our website, www.drghatan.com. You can email us, and we'll email you back or call you back and confirm an appointment.
Dr. Ghatan, I want to thank you for being here. You've really provided some great insights to our viewers.
Thank you.
All right, everyone, thanks so much for watching, and we look forward to seeing you again in another edition of our expert interviews in the near future.